Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me here. This was here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please ensure that you like this video before we proceed. Then consider subscribing and putting on your notification bell for further updates. So we have some news here that I felt it important maybe to share with you. So 4 pedestrian footbridges are set to be demolished and relocated to new sites to pave way for the new Nairobi Expressway Road that's currently under construction. The first 2 footbridges are situated at Mlolongo and Maradaima near Liberal House. That's along Kenya's first double-decker highway. So while the other 2 are situated at General Motors on Enterprise Road and at St. Mark's Church in Westlands, Nairobi. According to Kenya National Highways Authority, that's KENHA, Director General, the Director General of KENHA is Peter Mundinya, for those maybe who are not informed about this. So the 4 pedestrian bridges are being demolished and relocated to new sites along the corridor, and these are a normal thing. As you all know that these are very normal thing in road construction. It's very normal. So Mr. Mundinya further confirmed that the Mlolongo footbridge will be relocated to Mulei Supermarket, that's off Airport North Road, while the Maradaima footbridge will be relocated to the ASL packaging. That's on ASL packaging is on Tekla Lorupe Road. The General Motors footbridge will be shifted to a new location, that's along Enterprise Road, while the St. Mark's Church footbridge will be relocated to Dunhill Towers. Dunhill Towers is along Waiyaki Way. The footbridges we are demolishing are made of steel, he stated. He further stated that that means that they are not going to put into waste any parts demolished. He added, the 4 bridges on the 27.1 kilometer road that links the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, that's JKIA, to Nairobi Nakuru Highway were built between 2009 and 2015 at a cost of US dollars 3.5 million. So the 3-year Nairobi Expressway project launched in October 2020 is projected to ease heavy traffic on Mombasa Road, Uhuru Highway and Waiyaki Way. So I think I've updated you, and just proceed with the video up to the end. You will depict the places where those footbridges will be shifted. So most of us have been asking themselves whether all these footbridges will survive. Wood Siaya confirms that no, 4 of them will be demolished, then mounted on new places, but they will use the same steel that will be demolished. So Mundinya stated that they won't maybe discard any of the steels used between 2009 and 2015 because the steel is still fresh. Thank you so much. This was here. Please ensure that you like the video, subscribe and put on your notification bell because I'm bringing you Waiyaki Way in a while.